How do you interact with the TJ Walker AI clone? Ideally, the very same way you would with a real life coach or a real communication skills coach. So it's not simply about asking questions, although you can ask a question at any time. It's about using the coach to help you go on an experience, a journey where currently you are here and you want to go from here to here to here to grow, to get better, whether it's improving your communication skills, improving every and any aspect of your career, helping you live a fuller, better, more purposeful, happier life. That's really what the goal is. So, in order to do that, you need to not just ask questions, you need to share your aspirations with the digital clone. And you need to practice with it. If the clone asks you to give a sample presentation or to reflect on something and share, you need to do it. Don't just sit back and watch it like you would a video course. One of the reasons I created this was frankly my frustration with the fact that I had so many students, 2 million students, take my online courses, and they said they liked it and they left great reviews. But I know that deep down, so many of them just passively sit back, watch, and listen. That's not how you learn a real skill. It's not how you really develop as a person. You have to do things. You have to think, reflect. You have to have real dialogue. And that's what this clone is designed to do, to really bring about a highly personalized coaching experience for you to help you improve. That is the best way to use this clone. So I want you to put it to work. Don't just sit back and ask it to lecture to you for an hour. Ask it to probe you, to ask you the tough questions, to give you the assignments, to give you the homework, and you report back to it. That is the best way to interact with this clone.